Students, in previous video, you have learned about lesson 2, the teeth. Now in this video, we are going to do chapter 3. The name of the chapter is the digestive and excretory system. Read on. You know that the human body is made of different organ systems. Each of them has a specific job to do. In this lesson, we will only learn about the digestive and excretory system. Digestion of food. The food that you eat cannot be used directly by your body to give you energy. It has to be broken down into smaller, simpler pieces. This process of breaking down of food inside your body is called digestion. This process of breaking down of food inside your body is called digestion. The food is digested by the digestive system of your body. The digestive system consists of the mouth, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The three glands associated with the process of digestion are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Students, digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed into the watery blood plasma in certain organisms. These smaller substances are absorbed through the small intestine into the bloodstream. The digestive system consists of the mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth in your mouth break the food into smaller pieces. Your saliva makes the food soft and moist. The saliva contains an enzyme which converts starchy foods into simple sugars. The tongue helps to mix the food, taste it and push it down the food pipe. From the food pipe, the food goes into the stomach. Student, digestion begins in the mouth with the secretion of saliva and its digestive enzyme. Tongue helps to mix the food and push it down the food pipe. Digestion of proteins in the stomach. Your stomach is like a muscular bag that contracts often to squeeze the food and mix it with the juice made in the stomach. The proteins in the food are digested in your stomach. Students, protein digestion occurs in the stomach and duodenum, in which three main enzyme pepsin secreted by the stomach. Stomach is like a muscular bag. The food mix with the juice made in the stomach. Protein in the food are digestive in your stomach. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. Some juices are made in the small intestine. Your liver makes a digestive juice called bile. It is poured into the small intestine. It mixes with the food and digests fats. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. The digested food is absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. The blood carries the digested food to different parts of the body. Student, the small intestine is where most chemical digestion takes place. Most of the digestive enzyme in the small intestine are secreted by the pancreas and enter the small intestine. via the pancreas duct. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine.